Hello guys, we'll discuss lecture number 2 which contains alkyl halide methods of preparation. Alkyl halides can easily be prepared with the different types of alcohols. See, we'll discuss first method, preparation of an alkyl halide from alcohols. Reaction with hydrogen halides, also called as halogen acids because it go with H plus ions in the solutions. So first of all, we'll discuss reaction with HCl. Hydrogen halide contains HCl, HBr and HI as a HCl, HBr and HI as a different derivatives. HCl, HI and HBr. See, first one HCl. When HCl reacted with ZnCl2, in presence of anhydrous medium, the method is called as Gru's process and the reagent is called as Lucas reagent. Lucas is the scientist who discussed about this reagent. When alcohol reacted with HCl, the water molecule HOH as a byproduct in this reaction and alkyl group is substituted with the chlorine. So what will be the product? Alkyl chloride as a product. See the examples in this method. Methanol reacted with HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives methyl chloride plus water molecule as a byproduct. Same here, when ethanol reacted with HCl, the water molecule will be a byproduct and ethyl chloride as a main product in this reaction. We will discuss about the reactivity of different types of alcohols in this reaction. Tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol and primary alcohol. These three different alcohols present. So tertiary alcohol contains more bulky structure than the secondary than the primary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol has highest reactivity than secondary alcohol than primary alcohol because tertiary alcohol contains bulkier structure, crowded structure and hindered structure. So due to the hindered structure, it gives less stability and high reactivity of compound. So tertiary alcohol has a high reactivity. Second reaction, preparation of alkyl halide with the help of hydrogen halide containing HBr. See, in this reaction, sodium bromide is reacted with sulfuric acid. HBr is not readily or directly available in the nature. So when NaBr is reacted with H2SO4, HBr is prepared in this reaction, which is prepared in situ in the reaction. What is meant by in situ? In situ means a reagent which is prepared in between the reaction. And that time it is utilized in the reaction called as in situ. So when alcohol reacted with NaBr in presence of H2SO4, HBr is prepared in situ of reaction and it gives alkyl bromide as a main product. Water molecule as an again byproduct in this reaction to use main product as an alkyl halide, that is alkyl bromide. See the example. When methanol reacted with HBr, it gives methyl bromide plus water molecule. Same ethanol reacted with HBr, methyl bromide and water molecule as a byproduct. Same any compound like 2-propanol, 3-pentanol like this one. When the different compound reacted with HBr, only the substitution of OH group is there to give brominated product. All the reagents or group of the molecules are same. Water molecule as a byproduct. See in this reaction, 2-propanol is the reagent. 2-propanol reacted with HBr, again 2-bromopropane as a main product and water molecule as a byproduct. See the last reagent, that is HI, hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide again prepared in between the reaction, that is in situ of the reaction. When sodium iodide or potassium iodide is reacted with 95% of phosphoric acid, that is StPO4, it gives hydrogen iodide in between the reaction, that is in situ of the reaction. See, when alcohols reacted with HI, it gives alkyl iodide as a main product because HI is a strong reducing agent in this reaction to give water molecule as a byproduct. Again the reaction and the reagents are same. Examples are again same. Ethanol reacted with HI, ethyl iodide as a product and water molecule as a byproduct. Next to this, 1-propanol. This is 1-propanol molecule. 1, 2, 3. 1-propanol molecule reacted with HI. It gives 1 iodoethane, 1 iodopropane. It gives 1 iodopropane and water molecule as a product. Let's deal with the second examples, that is preparation of an alkyl halide from alcohols with the help of reaction with phosphorus halides. Firstly, we was discussed about preparation from HCl. Right now we'll discuss about preparation from phosphorus halide. Phosphorus is a different halide like phosphorus trichlorides and phosphorus pentachlorides. See, when 3 moles of an alcohol reacted with phosphorus trichlorides, it forms alkyl halide and phosphoric acid is a byproduct. PCl3, PBr3 and PI3 are the reagents of PX3. But PBr3 and PI3 are prepared in situ of the reaction, but PCl3 is readily available. See, what happened in this reaction? 3 moles of an alcohol, ROH, ROH, ROH. 3 moles of an alcohol reacted with PX3. So what happened? So these 3 halogen groups are incoming in this reaction. 1, 2, 3. So how many alcohols require? It requires 3 alcohol containing alkyl group. So 3 alcoholic group, that is R acts as a byproduct in 3 moles. But right now what happened? 1 phosphorus atom and 3 OH molecule, that is POH, that is POH S3, 1, 2, 3, S3, PO3 as a byproduct in this reaction. Example for this reaction will be the same. So we'll discuss about the second reaction. When alcohol reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives, in presence of heat, it gives alkyl halide as a byproduct, HCl, and alkyl as a main product, HCl and POCl3 as a byproducts in this reaction. We'll discuss about the examples of these reactions. So when ethanol, methanol or propanol, any molecules of an alcohol reacted with PCl3, PBr3 or PI3. We'll discuss about PCl3, CS3OH of 3 moles, as we discussed in the general reaction, 3 moles reacted with PCl3 in presence of heat. What it gives? It gives methyl chloride as a main product. How many moles? 3 moles. And what will be the byproduct? S3PO3 as a byproduct of this reaction. So what will be the name for the product? What is the name for the product? So it will be a methyl chloride. And what will be the reactant? It will be a methanol. Same reaction with the PCl5. So what will be the reaction? When CS3Cl reacted with PCl5, only one incoming chlorine is there, so it will not require 5 moles. So what it gives? CS3Cl as a main product plus HCl plus POCl3 as a byproduct in this reaction. You may take ethanol, use ethyl chloride. You may take propanol, use propyl chloride. You may take any compound, 1-butanol, 2-butanol. It gives respect to halide as a product in this reaction. Thank you. See the next reaction, preparation of alkyl halides from the alcohols. Third reagent, that is reaction with thionyl chloride. Sulfur is also called as thio compounds. It is also called as sulfonyl dichloride, or you may call it as thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. Question may be asked, how will you prepare alcohols from thionyl chloride? See the reaction. See the general reaction. When alcohols reacted with thionyl chloride, it gives alkyl halide as a main product. And sulfur dioxide HCl in presence of gaseous forms. They are obtained in presence of gaseous form. Alkyl halide as a main product in this reaction. Generally, the straight chain alcohols are utilized like this one, 1-butanol, 1-propanol. Straight chain alcohols are utilized in this reaction because the structure of a sulfur dichloride is of a bulkier nature. So it does not easily available in the reaction of, it does not easily react with the reaction of crowded molecules of an alcohol. So generally straight chain alcohols like 1-butanol, 1-propanol, this is the 1-butanol molecule. 1-butanol reacted with this sulfur SOCl2, that is thionyl dichloride. So thionyl chloride, what it gives? It gives respect to halides, that is OH is substituted. So what it gives? CS3, CS2, CH2, CH2, Cl. So this is 1-butanol. What is the reagent? 1-butanol. It converted into 1-butyl chloride, or it may be 1-chlorobutane according to the name. 1-chlorobutane. What will be the byproduct? Again the byproduct will be same, HCl and sulfur dioxide. But how? In the presence of gaseous molecules. You can utilize one propanol, it gives one propyl chloride, ethanol gives ethyl halide, methanol gives methyl halide. Next methods of preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbons, that we already discussed in this method in the standard 11 in the chapter of hydrocarbons. So in the substitution reactions, when alkane reacted with halogens, it gives alkyl halide and hydrogen halogen byproduct by radical formation reaction. See, when methane reacted with chlorine, it gives methyl chloride, or when the reaction is catalyzed by HNu or in presence of ultraviolet rays, the reaction cannot stop at single one stage, because radical reactions are actively reactions, radical reactions are energetical reactions which cannot be easily stopped by external condition. They are spontaneous reaction. So it may use CCl4 as an end product, because every stage gives substitution reactions. Or first of all we will get methyl chloride, then methylene dichloride, then chloroform, and the lastly we will get CCl4, that we can observe in the standard 11 textbooks. Second one, preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbons with the addition reaction. These are substitution reaction. Next, addition reaction. So what is the addition reaction? See, any double bond or triple bond is substituted with any double bond or triple bond when reacted with HBr, HCl or HI, it gives addition reaction. HBr is added across this double bond, so we'll use additive product, that is CS3, H will added here, CS3 bond will be decreases, we'll get CS3 CH2 Br as a main product in this reaction. Molecule is symmetrical, so no matter HBr, H goes to any atom of the carbon. But when molecule is unsymmetrical, like this one propene, that we already studied in standard 11, when HBr reacted with propene molecule, that is unsymmetrical molecule, which rule we have to use? We have to use MKR rule. What is MKR rule? Marconi-Kropf rule. The negative part of reagent goes to that carbon atom which contains less number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part of molecule, that is H plus, will goes to the more number of hydrogen atom containing carbon atom. So what will we get? CH3 CH Br CH3, 2-bromopropane as a main product by the addition reaction. Next, preparation of an alkyl halide from halogen exchange. So halogen exchange can be done with the help of two different reactions. First one is Finkelstein reaction, second one is Schwartz reaction. So what is Finkelstein reaction? When sodium iodide reacted with alkyl halide, that is alkyl chloride, in presence of an acetone as a solvent, is given alkyl chloride, it gives alkyl iodide as a main product, and sodium chloride as a precipitate form. So that can be easily separated from the compound. Second, Schwartz reaction. So what is Schwartz reaction? When alkyl chloride reacted with any metal fluoride, that is silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, arsenic fluoride, antimony fluoride. These are the fluoride compound or bromide compounds. So when chloride reacted with fluoride or bromides. So what it gives? It gives fluorinated compound, that is alkyl fluoride as a main product. So this is first method for the preparation of fluoride. Alkyl fluoride as a product and precipitated in the form of silver chloride.